We are now going to go through a MUCR request. Select MUCR generator on the dashboard to get to the MUCR generator dashboard. This is where you will be able to see your previous MUCR requests. Click on Generate MUCR to start the MUCR creation process. On the next screen, you will be asked to add your reference number, the unit ID, the departure port, the arrival port, and the travel date. In the last field, you can add your Docker numbers one by one by clicking on the Add button. To remove the Docker, click on Remove. If you need to add a Docker with a part, you can use a slash or a space to separate it from the rest of the Docker number. After you have added the Dockers, click on the Submit button to request a MUCR. You can now find the MUCR request on your dashboard. You will receive an email notification when the MUCR is accepted. If you have any queries or concerns, please contact our help team at help@customs-link.com or via our contact number shown on the screen. Thank you.